Sure, this was a product I definitely want to talk about this week to no-till farmers, because typically no-till farmers they work in some very unique situations, and especially when it comes to downforce on the planter, those conditions can sometimes be magnified due to no-till conditions. So we have a product now that can essentially read how much weight's being carried on your gauge wheels. We determine how your row units are riding to determine how much down pressure we need to apply for each spot in the field. This allows a farmer to always give him peace of mind to ensure that he's always maintaining planting depth, but not planting so deep or with so much down pressure that it compacts the area around the seed trench. So we're able to maintain planting depth and give his row units a nice smooth ride.
This year?
Okay, great question. We've had the system out now for 3 seasons. The big change we made this year is we made it ISO compatible. So a lot of people hear the term ISO compatible, and I like to refer to it as kind of industry standardization. Basically now the system's going to be more compatible with other monitors, displays on the market. For example, the new system can now be run on John Deere 2600 or 2630 displays. It can be run on Case's Pro 700, New Holland's current display can be run on the current Trimble displays. As long as they're virtual terminal capable, this system can interface with them. So, another new thing with the system is, I forgot to mention this, was it used to be 1 or 2 sections, which fits the needs for most growers, but especially you get into no-till situations, again, where those soil conditions can be magnified. We're able to vary the down pressure across the planter in more sections. We can now take the system out to 8 sections, and we can put up to 32 gauge wheel sensors on the planter. So if you had up to a 32 row planter, we can essentially read the gauge wheel weight carried on every row unit. Yep, great question, John. We're actually honored to be able to be a sponsor for the National No-Tillage Conference. I know we've done this for a couple years now, and it's really been good for us because we get to interact with some of the most progressive farmers in the nation. I know anytime you work with a no-till farmer, his needs are very unique, and our products fit their needs. And especially when it comes to a lot of, when I talk about progression, especially our data software, we're able to work with so many no-till farmers to help them better manage their data, and that's what Ag Leader is all about. And this is a great conference that allows us to connect with some of our best customers.